Every great machine has a story. Liebherr and now Liebherr R9800. Engineering the impossible. Meet the Liebherr R9800. It is one of the largest mining excavators ever built. The first component to be removed is the massive mining bucket. The giant is now ready to begin its journey. At the industrial port, sunrise marks the start of a massive lift. Every module of the massive Liebherr R9800, a feat of true heavy lift engineering. Meet the Liebherr R9800. It is one of the largest mining excavators ever built. Its enormous size makes transporting the machine, fully assembled, completely impossible. Every disassembly step is carefully planned, long before the first bolt is removed. Before disassembly begins, every critical system is inspected and documented. Specialized lifting equipment is installed to safely handle components weighing hundreds of tons. Every hydraulic connection is safely isolated before any major component is removed. Thousands of electrical connections are labeled to guarantee flawless reassembly.
Container 04 is ready for transport.
Safety comes first. Let's review the lifting points.
Every lift follows a precisely coordinated plan. Radio check, copy that.
With every system secured, the giant is finally ready to come apart. The first component to be removed is the massive mining bucket. Every component is secured on specially engineered transport frame. Next comes the stick, weighing dozens of tons. Removing the boom requires perfect synchronization. The counterweight alone weighs hundreds of tons. The upper structure is now separated from the undercarriage. Each crawler track becomes an oversized shipment. Every module is inspected and prepared for transport. The giant is now ready to begin its journey. One machine, now divided into giant modules. Each piece begins its own journey to the port. The Liebherr R9800 no longer exists as a single machine. Every giant module now crosses the ocean separately, waiting to be rebuilt at its final destination. At the industrial port, sunrise marks the start of a massive lift. Every module of the massive Liebherr R9800, a feat of true heavy lift engineering. The massive modules begin their journey. Police escorts lead the convoy toward the open pit mine. Each transporter carries a single component. This requires precision at every step. At the mine, each module is positioned separately. Engineers inspect the heavy components. Giant haul trucks operate in the vast open pit. This is industrial magnitude at its peak. The rebuilding begins with the machine's foundation. At this scale, every move is critical. Two giant cranes must work in perfect sync to assemble this 800-ton Titan. Every move is critical. Every move is critical. Before a machine of this size can move, every system must be inspected, tested, and approved. After months of transport and assembly, the giant takes its first breath. Every movement confirms that the world's largest mining excavator is ready for work. After an extraordinary journey, the giant finally begins the work it was built to do. The first bucket marks the beginning of a new life in the mine. From the factory floor to one of the world's largest mines, every step of the journey has led to this moment. The giant is finally home. Every great machine has a story. Liebherr and now Liebherr R9800. Engineering the impossible.